on the evidence we've seen, Brunel, I believe, previously has indicated, or his representatives have indicated, he was not in hiding, he wasn't on the run, but we heard he was boarding this flight. He hasn't been seen in public for quite some time. I believe there was a opportunity, or there was a talk of him trying to release a statement, maybe a book about exonerating him some way. What do you think? Was he on the run?
Oh, well, I mean, certainly he was keeping a very low profile, and that does make you wonder for such a high profile person. I think, again, I'm sure law enforcement was keeping track of him, and I agree that they had to nab him before he got on that plane. So, to me, it looks like he distanced himself, and then he was trying to keep a low profile, so maybe everyone would forget that he was involved in this sort of thing. It's a really big, he's a big catch, and this is just it's just such a horrifying crime. It's just so terrible. It's affected so many lives for so many years. It's just I can't imagine he wasn't trying to keep himself hidden away from the notice of law enforcement this entire time.
And look, I'll say two final things about this. One, if they ultimately do charge him and put him in jail, he's better be watched lock and key. And number
Hmm.
two, the other thing is there's a long time between now and Ghislaine Maxwell's trial. I said it when she was first arrested and charged, and we first heard when her trial date was. A lot of things can happen between now and then, and we will wait and see what happens. But we're going to take a break. When we